2017 in Farmers City, their first main event of the season. Here we go, off of turn number 4, 15 fast ones coming at us next. And we go 3 wide through 1 and 2. Everybody makes it through. Let's see if we can do the same in 3 and 4. Still 3 wide in the middle of the pack, and look out, big problems. Spoke too soon. And there's 4 cars in that one over there. I see.
Joint satisfied clients like Victoria. She owed the IRS $32,000. They accepted $300.
Here we go, take 2 off turn number 4. Green flag in the air, and we are racing. And the wheels have fallen off the Happy Wagon here. The B-Mods in the main event here tonight, having a tough time getting this thing going. Hunter Dybel, Brad Willis. Hopefully third time is the charm here. The B-Mods. Let's try it again. Off of turn number 4. Green flag in the air. We are racing. Hold on. Everybody makes it through 1 and 2. Fingers crossed down the back straightaway. And we get 1 in the books. No, we can't. Off of turn number 4. Green flag in the air. We're back at it. So far, so good. Lap number 2 going to go in the books, and it's the 242 out front. Tim Hancock and the Zero Machine sits second on the move. Track starting to slick up here a little bit for the B-Mods. Got to keep a pretty right pedal right now. Keep the thing going in the right direction. Don't blow the tires off it. Battle up front for the top spot. Tim Hancock Sr. now starting to put some pressure on the 242. Almost dead even at the line. We'll see what happens. 242 will go upstairs. Looking for a momentum on the top side, but it's going to be Hancock Sr. now. The Zero car starting to slip away. And second place, end of the fence. Gets into the Farmer City Concrete. Look out. It'll cost him 1, if not 2 spots. Meanwhile, Hancock Sr. and the Zero Machine starting to sneak away from the rest of the field as we close in on halfway in tonight's B-Mod. Main event, Osborne now keeping his nose clean in the 61. He sits in that second spot. Dybel to the inside of the 242. Willis, he'll take over third. Halfway, 8 down, 7 to go. Tim Hancock Sr. starting to flex his muscles in that Zero car. Meanwhile, Chris Osborne Jr. trying to work the bottom side like the Zero, trying to hang with your leader. Here's we work lap number 9. Down the back straightaway. Still pretty good distance between the leader and lap traffic with 5 to go. Osborne hanging with the leader, Hancock Sr., though. Not out of this one by any stretch of the imagination. Right now the 5th spot's going to be held down by the 29T, Brandon David. So top 2 right there together as they work the bottom side of turn number 2. 57 headed pit side out of the event. Thomas Reich's night is done. How about Osborne making a race out of it, folks? now within 2 car lengths of your leader. So the 61 machine coming to play here tonight. Farmer City almost to the back bumper of your leaders. They start final few laps of this one. Slow start, but things heating up in the B-Mod. Main event, here comes 61. Chris Osborne Jr. trying to take the trophy back to East Peoria. Let's see what Hancock will be able to do. 4th place Bobbles, we stay green, white flag in the air, 1 lap to decide it here tonight. Hancock to the bottom. Osborne going to work the middle of the speedway off turn number 2, trying to find some traction. Unable to close the distance over your leaders. They work through. Whoa, look out. And I'm not sure what to call that one. That's caution in a big way. So the top 2 get together. And it looks like they're going to go ahead and give it the checkered flag. So the 0 of Tim Hancock going to pick up the win here tonight. Hunter Dybel, I believe, will be 2nd unofficially. 3rd spot will go to Brandon David. 4th spot will be Brian Devers. And
Sir Paul McCartney, and maybe I'm amazed. Now, if this doesn't sum up Russia's credibility on the internet, nothing does. Vending machines just started popping up in malls around Russia, and they sell Instagram likes. Yep, you put in 50 rubles, which is about 88 cents, and the picture will get 100.
all right, race fans, he's out of the car. He can hear you. Final feature winner of the night here at Farmer City, Tim Hancock Sr. Country Girls Salon. Looks like Walsh Concrete on board. Tim, things got a little wild out there in 3 and 4 there in the checkered flag lap, but the rear bumper, it shows the marks, but you get the win. Mission accomplished. Held on there. Pretty wild and woolly B-Mod feature.
Yeah, I guess I should have expected that. I did it to them in Lincoln last year, so I guess that's payback. I guess we're even. So
I tell you what, B-Mods don't typically run here. Do you kind of like when you go to a place where it's kind of neutral ground where a lot of guys don't necessarily have a home track advantage? I mean, I know some guys got some laps here in some different cars, but you kind of feel it's almost kind of like an equal playing field when you kind of show up to places like this?
yeah, it's we're all equal. The 61, the 242, and the 28, they run Peoria and Spoon River. They're on 4-bar, and I'm just on 3-link. So,
all right, 3-link gets the job done here tonight. Race fans, Tim Hancock Sr. closes out the program here at Farmer City. On behalf of myself, filling in tonight for Mike Norris, I'm Rob Goodman. Thank you so much for coming out and spending your Friday night with us here at Farmer City. All the staff, track management, thank you so much for coming out. Hopefully we'll see you here next Friday night, if not somewhere down the road. Safe travels. Support your local racetrack. Good night, everybody.